don't miss your chance. Understanding, miss the boat, train. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of the English language, idioms. Specifically, we'll explore what it means to miss the boat or miss the train. These phrases are used metaphorically to convey a particular message, and understanding them can add a layer of richness to your English communication. So, let's get started and ensure you don't miss the boat on learning this interesting expression. When someone says they missed the boat or missed the train, they're not usually talking about actual boats or trains. Instead, these phrases are idiomatic expressions used to indicate that someone has missed an opportunity or was too late to take advantage of a situation. The idea is that just like missing a scheduled mode of transportation, failing to act in time means you can't reach your desired destination or goal. The origins of miss the boat and miss the train are quite literal. Imagine the days before cars and airplanes when boats and trains were the primary means of long-distance travel. Missing one meant you had to wait for the next, potentially delaying your plans significantly. Over time, these scenarios became metaphors for missing out on opportunities in life, not just travel. To help you grasp how these idioms are used, let's look at some examples. Job opportunities. I saw the perfect job listing late and didn't apply in time. I really missed the boat on that one. Investments. If you didn't invest in that technology company last year, you missed the train. Their stock prices have skyrocketed. Relationships. He realized too late that he loved her, but she was already engaged to someone else. He missed the boat. These examples show how missing the boat, train, can apply to various aspects of life, emphasizing the importance of timing and taking action when opportunities arise. Using these idioms is simple. Remember, they are best suited for situations where opportunity and timing are key factors. They can be used in both professional and personal contexts but are often more informal. Here are a few tips. Ensure the context is clear to your listener or reader. Use them to express sympathy, self-reflection, or regret over missed opportunities. They can also be used humorously to lighten the mood when someone misses out on something less significant. And that's a wrap on Miss the Boat, Train. We hope this exploration helps you understand and use these idioms confidently in your conversations and writings. Remember, the English language is full of such expressions that can make your communication more colorful and expressive. Don't miss the boat on learning them. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you navigate more exciting aspects of English learning in our future videos.